maybe you were wondering why cover with all fences and confidentiality stuff.
We had to cover boots, cars to be able to make this happen.
To make the launch of NV36 the best ever we've seen yet at Tesla.
Yeah, and we're very happy with the result.
This is the first time that we are bringing a new vehicle in our factory.
And now that everyone is gonna see it, I can finally be able to tell them what was going on, why was this crazy madness, coming here on the weekends, coming here on the special times that maybe everyone was on holidays.
The new NV36 Model Y actually has grown up.
It's more than a facelift, it looks like a new car altogether.
Very beastie.
Like, was not expecting to like it as much as when I saw it in person.
And looks like a badass adult that's ready to kick everyone on the market.